Hi, I'm Jim Wells, and I'm a member of the Best of Us Investors. I hope you will join us and become a part of our community. ChainLink is an oracle that provides a gateway between blockchain and the real world. As an oracle, ChainLink brings data onto the Ethereum blockchain to settle agreements, or what are called smart contracts. ChainLink 2.0 is introducing off-chain reporting, which is referred to as a hybrid smart contract. These hybrid smart contracts hopefully will solve both scalability and cost issues. We'll be right back.
Best of Us Investors presents Jim Wells.
As we start to grow with decentralized finance, developers want more mature smart contracts. Blockchain, due to its native security, doesn't allow some more complex computations. 2.0 is a decentralized meta layer, a large collection of decentralized services that are combined with what's done on the blockchain. For instance, running off-chain will cost less in terms of fees, allowing the contract to be more complex. One example of an off-chain smart contract explains how much electricity a field of solar panels is supposed to produce and how much is paid for that specific electricity. In addition, off-chain contracts could check to see if the solar panels were working or operating correctly. ChainLink sees applications for decentralized insurance where farmers could protect from the risks of drought. Global supply chain applications, they could check to see if supplies were delivered off-chain to settle payments on-chain. There could even be possible voting applications that could be put into play. CEO and co-founder for ChainLink, Sergey Nazarov, believes hybrid smart contracts will define the future of the industry. He sees applications with NFTs, stablecoins, and the DeFi industry, reaching $500 billion this year. ChainLink is already at a $15 billion market cap. That's 50 times the market cap of the next closest oracle. Number 2 would be Band Protocol. Band's at about 336 million as opposed to 15 billion of ChainLink. Ethereum is the largest used blockchain for decentralized finance, and ChainLink is the most used oracle on the Ethereum platform. Critics of ChainLink, number 1, say that ChainLink sets or inputs cannot be verified without trust. Well, these hybrid contracts will allow for off-chain verification before the contract is actually settled. Number 2, other critics say ChainLink sets its own price and has high gas fees. Well, doing the off-chain contracts before they are settled on-chain could give clients more choices, greater functionality, and cheaper gas fees. If you are classifying cryptocurrencies in their respective classes by market cap and use, if you're going to compare ChainLink to other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the top currency as far as the store of wealth. It's 100 times larger than Litecoin. You can make an argument for Ethereum also being a currency because you can trade with it, but Bitcoin is 5 times the size of Ethereum. Ethereum, the top area of decentralized finance, is 8 times larger than Cardano. And then ChainLink, the top oracle, is 50 times larger than Band Protocol in terms of market cap. Right now, it's priced at a 20% discount. If I were to give my recommendation in the areas as far as criteria for purchasing different types of cryptocurrencies, if I put ChainLink on a scale, as far as decentralized, I give it about a 3. In comparison to the other oracles, I think it is more functional right now, but what the other oracles do sell is that they are more decentralized. Functionality, I give it a 5. It's the top oracle and is trying to answer its critics by installing ChainLink 2.0. As far as market cap goes, I'd give it a 5. It's the top oracle, 50 times that of BAM protocol. Its circulating supply of coins, I give it about a 3. It has 419 million. That's almost 4 times the amount of Ethereum, to give you some perspective. As far as adoption goes, I would give it a 5. It is the main oracle used on the Ethereum network, and it has also become interoperable with DOT. Velocity, I give it a 5. It's growing with Ethereum and becoming more interoperable with other blockchains and DeFi with the adoption of 2.0. For these reasons, and the fact at this time, I made this video, it did do a 20% drop, I see it as a buy. I will add this position to my portfolio. I'm going to make a purchase of about 20% of my allocation towards ChainLink and look to purchase more in the future with dollar cost averaging. If it drops another 20%, which it could, we're in a crazy time right now, I'll buy another 20%. If it goes up 10 to 20%, I'm going to keep it on a pretty tight time frame now because things are so crazy. I'd probably put in another 10%. I'd like to add some thoughts at the end of this video. In addition to adding to my position of ChainLink, I have also added to my position on Ethereum. In addition to that, I've also purchased VeChain. I did a video on VeChain a few weeks back, and I thought it was an excellent investment. Wasn't sure if I was quite ready. I thought it was a little bit speculative, but after doing more research, I really do believe that it is the future. So I went ahead and purchased VeChain also, and I'm also dollar cost averaging into that. Ethereum, Bitcoin's still my biggest position, followed by both Ethereum and Cardano. And those are the cryptocurrencies I believe have staying power, functionality, and also high enough market caps in terms of adoption and in terms of people getting into them that I feel very comfortable going with those cryptocurrencies. Even though we're in a very volatile time period, I do believe that there can be a major correction, but I also believe that this can continue to pump and that we're nowhere near the end of this bull market. Time will tell. Okay, so again, Jim Wells, Best of Us Investors. You can like or subscribe to this channel right here, or you could go on to the Best of Us Investors network and subscribe, and you can find me on the cryptocurrency part of the Discord. We'll see you soon.